Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. So now let's tap reset and select network settings reset right here. So this will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose network settings reset, and to begin the whole process tap network settings reset again. That's it, network settings have been reset. You can go back and start using your default network settings. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.